We pride ourselves on being one of the highest quality machine shops in the country, if not the highest quality machine shop in the country, and definitely one of the highest quality machine shops across Europe. 95% of what we do is medical devices. The majority tends to be in orthopedics, mainly on elective surgery, and anything super accurate, that's what we do. We win work from companies in the US and across Europe and the UK. 60% of what we currently do is work that has previously been tried to be made by other companies and they haven't been able to make it.
So what is driving you down the automation route, would you say?
The real benefit is in the consistency of the quality, the consistency of the output, and the fact that over a 24/7 period we can run 164 hours a week making products.
You recently purchased a Hermley automated 5-axis machining cell.
Well, we think with Hermley, it's obviously an excellent machine. We think it's probably the Rolls-Royce of 5-axis machines. But beyond that, the addition of the inbuilt robot makes all the difference. If anyone were to ask us, would you buy a Hermley? Yeah, we would say absolutely. If you've got the right quality and you need that kind of kit, you won't go wrong with buying a Hermley. But to really make it sing, we think the robotic addition makes a huge difference. And it enables you to run on a 24/7 basis, and you will get your money back a lot quicker. So the next stage that we see is that we will be a software upgrade on the robot. Longer term, the robot will integrate into not just supplying products into the machine, but with supplying products into a CMM to measure the parts, and then the CMM will report back to the machine and adjust the machine accordingly should parts be wrong. So it would be a totally automated procedure, and the Hermley machine allows you to get to that position.
How did Kingsbury perform when managing the project?
There are very few very good machine tool agencies in this country. Kingsbury is one of only a very small handful. There are companies that sell very good machines, but the agencies aren't very good, and they don't give the right support. Kingsbury's are different. They supply a very good service. At all levels, if you have an issue, they respond straight away, they jump through hoops. When we had a requirement to make ventilator parts, this came up, the lockdown happened on the Thursday. We spoke to Kingsbury's on the Friday. They had a machine into us on the Tuesday. It's an excellent setup there. They start with what the customer requires, and we're very happy to deal with them. We buy index machines from them, and we're very happy to work with them.